Yo, what is up guys? Today back with another video of Animal Company, and today we're going to be showing you an infinite money glitch, and it's very easy.
You and me are just
So this has something to be involved with.
This is a money-making server.
Exactly.
Yeah, we know.
Hi Blue. No. Kate, are you doing a video?
Yeah, I'm doing video.
1.3 million.
and
mine's just flicked off it.
Infinite money glitch.
Bro, mine hasn't flicked off it yet because I haven't.
Bro, I used to be so broke, and now look at my money. I'm rich.
Bro, I have 1.23 mil.
Bro, I'm half HP.
Bro, I'm on. It takes like 7 minutes to regenerate fully.
No, if you're half
die,
HP,
die.
just eat those like
Oh,
things.
That's mine. Alright, so we all spawn. Oh yes, lucky! I'm so lucky with this find. So all you gotta do, keep on going into mines, guys, and mine this.
Can someone help?
You go back, bring us down.
Bro, I spawned
Save
in
us some
Mimic
time,
Cave
but
again, but I got out.
you could spawn in a different area. It doesn't always have like one of those calibers. And be careful because spiders spawn in there. Alright, so and look how much money. How did I die?
No, she was so close.
No, his bomb didn't.
I don't know how I died.
How did you die then?
How did I?
No, we sold your bombs and then he was just standing down.
How did I die?
How'd you die?
Exactly.
Oh!
The machine probably just exploded and then he died.
Machines don't.
No, but if the machine explodes, you don't get money.
We got money. Look how much money I've made from doing this process, guys.
Kate, I need to eat a packet. I'm kind of low. I need to eat a packet.
I'll wait for you, I guess. So I'm just gonna wait until it's mine. And we go in. No. Oh! I swear to God, get me it.
But I'm still the first one out.
Murder!
I'm not making it out like 26 seconds.
Oh no.
I got like 40 seconds left.
No. Come on. Get up. Come on, there's a lot of minutes here. Break it. Just break! Long, break it. Break, I swear to God, break. No, my God. Drop us back. Oh my God.
Guys, can you come to mine? Because I'm...
Oh, it's mine. I think it's gonna be good.
Oh, Ryan, can you buy me one of those seed thingies? Come on, just load ready mines. This is an infinite money glitch, guys. Like, actually, you should try it with some friends. You'll get stacked with money.
Yeah, because mine's the green teleporters.
I need to sell these.
Can I see you?
Where are you?
I hear you.
There you are. See. Oh, this is the way. When an anglerfish spawns over here, it's always the way. Rocket ship.
Kate, we don't have lights though. Kate, over here.
Very.
I'm 30 seconds left. You?
42.
I ain't making it.
You are. This is scary.
I'm stuck.
You still stuck?
No.
Put in your stash.
I only have 8 seconds.
I'm making it though. I'm fine. Oh my God. The machine's about to explode, I think.
Why do I need my stash?
How much money? That's that. Look at this money, guys. That's a lot.
Look at mine.
I can't see you.
266K.
No, look at my money.
Yeah, you have like a billion. Million.
No, I have a million.
How do
Yeah, I
you
know.
get
I
a
said a million.
Mines? Mimics are camping. Of course they are. Why are you humping the wall? Teleport! Break. Pretty sure.
Guys, I keep spawning in the Legolas
Wait.
cave. Armstrong.
Ah, shucks.
Already, darling.
Don't sell.
Am I gonna make it?
Need weapons.
I actually have enough
Okay,
time.
how much seconds?
I have. Get in, you stupid. Get in, you timer bomb. It's in, I don't care, it's still in.
What?
It's now, of course it's the last one.
Oh, look!
Hey, light
Well,
blue.
guys, I'm about to be at 1.3.
Light blue.
Damn it.
I'm gonna be a millionaire.
Do you have your hip slots unlocked? Okay, you do.
Bro, I am a millionaire.
I nearly have. I need one more research point and then I can get.
I'm
my
gonna get a grappler
Get the
so it
sign.
just makes stuff 10 times easier.
Take that
Oh shoot!
and get rid of that crowbar.
What?
He just
Light blue.
gave me a grappler.
That is
Oh.
mine.
Oh, can you give me a grappler? It'll be easier for me.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
have.
yeah, sure.
Guys,
Thank
besides
you.
mines.
She's like,
Thanks.
I love
Mine.
grapplers.
Mines.
oh,
Nah, just wait. No, okay, don't go in.
I will. Alright, we'll just.
Okay, luckily we can just grapple into it now.
Oh, there's a crowbar. Lovely fun. That's what I like. That's what I like.
This way.
Guys, come on!
Don't die. I'm right here. Wait.
No! Oh! I got so
Oh
close.
my God.
The mimic.
No, don't
The
tell,
mimic.
don't tell.
No. The mimic got me so low.
Bro, I spawned
Now
in
it's
Angler
done.
Cave. Yeah, I'm still.
We're gonna be rich.
Funny enough, they're the Armstrongs, they're the Mimics, they're the Angler. Or Spider. I keep spawning in bad caves.
I hate mimics.
Why do
Yeah,
I
you
keep
just
on?
got 7.
I keep on spawning in the amazing caves. For God's sake, every cave has a teleporter right next to me.
Right.
Oh, mine.
Yeah.
I'm in.
Angler. We're in the Angler cave. It's over this way.
Yep. We're making it. It's fine.
Yeah, I have a minute left. I just like going fast.
Oh my God! I have like 50. I have like a billion seconds left. I should definitely put it in my stash, shouldn't I?
Yeah, I have 30 seconds.
We have time. Let me check. Yes. Wait 1 second. Wait, no.
Run. Oh wait, that's 40 seconds. Bro, I'm actually rich. Bro, I have to get 10,000 just to get to like 1.4 million.
I spawned right next to one.
I love when you spawn right next to one.
Where are you?
I am
Wait, how much money do I have now? Is that it?
Nicky.
Yeah.
Nicky something right.
Guys, over here. Guys, you gotta get to mines. I'll shout mines once it's
I
done.
thought it was. Okay, wait. No, it's
Mine.
low.
No.
We got it. Yes.
Yeah, I saved your life.
No.
I got the easiest one ever.
Don't sell.
Why?
The bar explodes.
It's
The bar
red.
explodes. We have to sell.
Okay. It's not exploding.
Yo,
Yo,
almost done,
I'm at
almost done.
1.30 million.
Is that 10? Is that gonna be 10k?
Bro, I'm
Kate!
actually rich.
Kate, I nearly have 3.
Yeah, but do you even want to play?
Look at mine. Bro,
Kate,
I guess I'll try off this. If I lose my crap, oh, I'm gonna go mad. Please. I'm risking it all for this. Just please.
I accidentally went in office, but didn't cook.
Same, I got an office as well. Nope. Bye.
Hey, I see you on the radar, stop! Guys, my thing exploded.
Meow.
Guys, come back, we got...
Crap.
Hey, I hear someone in office!
Nah, I'm dead.
You wanna...
I ain't winning. I ain't getting this. I don't have this. Yeah? Wait. Yeah, I ain't making that, so. Yeah.
Someone went to off.
Bro, I accidentally went to
Kate,
Haunted Mansion.
Yours
and that's
office
the
might
only
be
problem with
easier
that.
than mine's. It's just you need to know the coordinates of where to go.
Kate, I saw you on my radar and then you disappeared.
Oh, yeah, because I went down the elevator. My VR's about to die, but I'll play until it does die. I have my grappler. Go! Get me in. Get me in. Where are you? Oh, for God's sake. Where is he? Where is it? Yeah. I'm not all the way up. Who? It's gonna blow up. Still, I might have time. Come on, go up, go up. Go up, zip line.
Guys, I saw a spider with the guy with the coat.
I have time. Huh? I have time. Come on!
Kate, I lost my grappler.
Hey, no!
you didn't tell
Kate,
me.
I lost my grappler. I lost my grappler.
Bro, I'm just gonna buy a new light.
Can you afford it? Do you have the grappler?
No, we're not going to, look.
But I need one more research point. It's not even that
Wait,
hard.
who's the guy who needs a grappler?
Me.
My
Andrew,
God, guys.
Thanks.
This is such a money
Let me get a
farm.
light.
Yeah, guys, I was at 1.2 million or 1.1 million.
What now?
1.3.
Well, I thought that was thinking. Oh, you nearly went in green.
Let's see. Lock him, break. No, I don't want to break. I swear to God, if you don't break, I'm gonna cry. I swear to God, if you don't break, I'm gonna actually cry. Break, please. Please. That's me, isn't it? Oh, for God's sake. Bruh. Can anyone buy me a grappler? I just died. Oh my. Oh
So
shoot.
that's a throw grab.
Can anyone
That
buy
was
me a grappler? I just died, but for God's sake. Bro, so close.
Bro, I can't buy them.
Does anyone have a
Cause
grappler?
I almost.
Does anyone have a
I don't
grappler
have them unlocked.
in the?
What?
Does anyone have a grappler in the stash? Oh yeah, I have.
Yeah, but I don't wear it.
Mickey, don't you have one in your stash though?
Yeah, I do.
Guys,
Talk about stash. I'm actually going to get further to unlock. Locker. Where is Grappler? Where's Grappler? Oh, there.
Didn't. No,
So I need to get to the
so this is basically a money phone.
Guys, I accidentally went in.
Yep. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you have a good one and peace.